Hello guys, today we are going to unbox and review this little guy. As you can see, this is Cooler Master's CPU cooler. Its model name is I7OC PWM. This is black and white design box. In the side you can see the specifications of the product. You can use this CPU cooler with several sockets. They are 1150, 1151, 1155 and 1156 LGA sockets for Intel. So it has 4-pin connector to the motherboard. Power consumption is 2.4 watts per hour, and it goes with 120 millimeters of fan. This is a little information about the product. So let's get into the box and see what is in there. So let's open and see what is in the box. We have some paperwork, warranty papers here. We don't need this right now. This is the stand for CPU cooler. It has little legs. No, you know how to install it, so let's put here and see the product, what is there. So as you can see, my friends, this is quite classic CPU cooler with fan and radiator. We have here plastic. You have to remove this before installation, so you know all this. Design is quite good. Nice little guy. So this was all for today. So please like video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go.